Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway man turn, also known as a sway cog. It looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So obviously this is going to be a lot easier if you already know how to do a sway. If you don't know how to do a sway, there is a clip up already. Head off, check out our core intermediate section and you will find it waiting for you there. But we'll break it down as a sway man turn or sway cog. Goes back, looks like a normal entrance to a sway at this point. We go a wrap, picking up the hand or not, it's up to you. We sway the lady back, and this is where it starts to change. As we're swaying the lady forwards, guys, we're taking the hand off the hip. If we did nothing, the lady would carry on and come to face at the end. As the lady's going out on 4, guys, we're starting to turn, reaching with the left hand so that we can pick up that hand and face the lady as she faces us on 5. Return and back. So from the lady's point of view, there's a hand change she wasn't expecting, but apart from that it's very, very similar to normal. From a guy's point of view, as the lady's travelling away, he's going round to his left, and that's it. We'll do it from the other side with numbers. Goes back 1, wrap 2, sway back 3. We're heading for that hand as we send the lady out 4, facing with the hand change 5, returning 6 and back 7. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway man turn. We go a back, wrap, sway, away, face, return and back, and that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.